We're here at the Malaysia Aviation Group Pavilion, and primarily to check out the new A330neo cabin. Of course, coming in a month from now, we will be receiving the first frame. So, if you follow me over this way, we're going to take a look at the mock-up cabins, the economy class and business class seating. So we are here with the Collins Aerospace Elevation seat mock-up. Fantastic bit of kit, and very much looking forward to these being rolled out on our Airbus A330neo fleet in the near future. So here we are, first time actually sitting in this Collins Aerospace Elevation seat. As you can see, it's very ergonomically designed. Everything is right at your fingertips, the seat controls, the recline functions. And of course, we've got these fantastic storage units here. I think they're going to put the IFE remote in this section. A little bit of literature pocket storage up here, and of course the reading light just behind the seat. Large IFE screen right in the front here, very easy to reach, and this is Rave Air IFE, so very fast, very responsive. I'm going to look forwards to using this in the future. Tray table just comes out of here, I think to roll it forwards, and then it folds out like so. So perfect for dining on that Malaysia Airlines satay. And last of all, big feature that is new to the airline in business class, the sliding door. So there we go, completes into a rather private suite. So we're finally seeing the first A330neo deliver straight from Airbus factory fresh in October of 2024. We'll be fitted with these Collins Elevation seats, and then as the years go by, looking towards 2026, we're going to see the A350 fleet also refitted with this seat. So this is the future of Malaysia Airlines long-haul business class, and I'd say the future looks good. And just to add, this is the first application or installation rather of the Collins Aerospace Elevation on an Airbus A330, and it's the first operator in Southeast Asia to be utilizing the seat. So lots of good things coming for Malaysia Airlines. The future is very bright indeed.
The business suite, the business seat, and the economy seats as well. Malaysia Airlines Pavilion, we're more than happy to assist.
So we're here with the Recaro CL3810 economy class seats, which will also be fitted on the Airbus A330neo. Now, these are quite revolutionary for economy class. They're very comfortable seats, and they've got fantastic, we'll show you on the back, 4K IFE screens, so really keeping up with the trends. This will be a fantastic product even on long-haul flights. Taking a seat here, it is actually very comfortable for economy class, let's be honest. It's a great seat, very comfortable, nice, ergonomic, not too cramped, I'm finding it so far, and adjustable winged headrests up here. And then if we go down to the recline function, it does recline back quite nicely. So yeah, these are going to be fitted with varying legroom because we will have some seats with extra legroom, and the standard I think will be 32 pitch. Yeah. Alright, so here we are just having a look at this digital mock-up of the A330neo cabin, starting with, of course, business class right at the front. 30 Collins Aerospace Elevation seats in here. Take a look at one close up. This is how it looks from a passenger's perspective. Privacy screens in the middle in between seats, of course, as I said earlier, all of your seat controls right where you need them. A literature pocket off to the side here with a reading lamp, and that large IFE screen and tray table up the front. So if we take a closer look at the inside of the seat, of course you've got this large storage compartment along the side here. IFE controls will be in here, and seat controls in this window here. Very nice interface. And something that's new again for Malaysia Airlines on these cabins, wireless charging for your smartphone devices on the side panel here. Very intuitive, very useful. So everything in here is really bringing together the passenger experience. It's been well thought out and well designed. And something that is new to Malaysia Airlines and we haven't had on any of our previous aircraft is a self-service bar towards the front of the cabin for business class passengers. So I imagine there'll be a range of snacks here available throughout the flight, which is nice. You don't always have to disturb the cabin crew if you want something to eat on a longer voyage. So here we are having a look at the economy class cabin on our A330neo. Of course, these Recaro CL3810 leading edge economy class seats and a beautiful cabin design, lovely colors, very welcoming with Malaysian batik motif on every seat. So great branding in there, the Malaysia Airlines identity on every seat. You can see here just a bit about the color of the seating. The first 3 rows of economy class are an extra legroom seat, so that light blue, and then the standard cabin, that dark blue. Yeah, this looks honestly a fantastic economy cabin. Very much looking forward to flying on this as well at some point in the future. So we're here at the Airbus A350 Business Suite mock-up. Of course, there's only 4 seats on our A350, so a very private and secluded cabin. But unfortunately, we'll be going out of service from around 2026 onwards as we start refitting the A350 fleet. But for now, let's take a look around. So here we are lounging around in the A350 Business Suite. Only 4 of these right at the front, row 1 of our A350 fleet. Yeah, it's a pretty nice setup. Quite spacious around the back here. Very comfortable padded Thomson Vantage seats. And plenty of legroom, that's for sure. It is massively spacious in here. I'll show you guys in a second. The IFE screen is quite far away from you. You've got your IFE remote on the left here and also your seat controls, recline functions. Certainly no lacking of storage space here, and the tray table comes out. So as you can see, very spacious, lots of legroom in front of you, plenty of space to stretch out. And everything is very ergonomically fitted and easy to reach, easy to control. Chenlock, would you just come in and demonstrate how we get the tray table to come up?
This is how you get your satay.
This is how you enjoy your satay. That is a massive tray table.
Slide. Oh, it doesn't slide.
Very, very large. So here we are in the Thomson Aero Vantage. Of course, this is Malaysia Airlines standard business class seats now on the Airbus A330 and A350 for quite a while. I want to say back to sort of start of 2010s, around then. So yeah, this is one of the throne seats. There's only a few of these on each aircraft down the right-hand side, and they're very spacious and rather comfortable, I have to say. They're great seats. Plenty of storage options, bins down to your side. Just lots of place to stretch out, and yep, all of your recline and seat control functions, IFE remote sort of tucked in the side here, so it's all quite easy to get to, reading light as well. Yeah, soon enough we'll be seeing this seat refitted on the A350 fleet, changed over to the Collins Aerospace Elevation that we were looking at earlier. Yeah. Thanks for having a look around with me today. I hope I've been able to give you a good insight into some of Malaysia Airlines cabin products, especially those coming on our brand new Airbus A330neos coming next month, October 2024. Very exciting stuff. That's all from me today. Hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and goodbye. See you later.